It is official. Mohammed Hijab just got wrecked. Not by any Christian, not by any Islamophobes, not even by journalist Douglas Murray, but by a judge. In High Court, judge basically called him liar, fraud, and worthless. Here's the story. Back in 2022, Douglas Murray wrote an article where he's expressing that Mohammed Hijab stirred up tension in Leicester, mocking Hindus and calling them pathetic, weak, cowardly people. Mohammed Hijab sues. What does he do is he screams, defamation, defamation. The judge, yeah, that's actually true. But wait, suing isn't free, okay? For you to sue someone, you need to prove that what has been written or what has been said affects you. So you've been damaged by it. So suddenly, Mohammed Hijab gets contracts, £3,500 a month from charity called One Ummah, and £30,000 contract from charity called Salam, all conveniently cancelled after Douglas Murray's article. But here's the problem. One Ummah, Mohammed Hijab's friend. Salam, Mr. Ali Needs Dawah, Ali Dawah's organization, Mohammed Hijab's friends. So they're One Ummah and Ali Dawah is collecting money from Muslims to help the one who are in need. Okay? But apparently the one who is in need is Mohammed Hijab. They are paying Mohammed Hijab 3,000. One of them is like paying Mohammed Hijab £3,500 a month. Ali Dawah is paying Mohammed Hijab £30,000. He's supposed to be helping the new believers. Well, there is lots of things going on in this two charity organization, and I think Charity Commission needs to look into its stuff. But anyway, so Mohammed Hijab's two friends are cancelling Mohammed Hijab and claiming that cancellation is taking place after Douglas Murray's article. What does judge says to that? Judge looks at those evidence and then says, your evidence are totally made up for the lawsuit. Right after the article, Mohammed Hijab's friends and buddies sent perfectly detailed messages blaming the article and confirming huge amounts of loss that Mohammed Hijab is getting from these articles. Yeah, it's very believable, right? It's very, very believable. And when Mohammed Hijab took the stand, that was a disaster. Like, what do you expect from part-time stripper anyway? The judge says he was combative, constantly argumentative, give an impossible denial that he was taking the law into his own hands. Claimed with a straight face he didn't notice the van behind him had the Holocaust images. Verdict? Not credible. And while all this is going down, what Mohammed Hijab is doing is he is heckling Douglas Murray's lawyer. It is unsalvageable case. Yeah, Greg. Well, Greg is fine. Your case, ashes. Think about it. So he's so confident with the fake messages and those fake contracts, he's gonna get the case. Well, your case is just hushed, Mohammed Hijab. The judge's final word. Your own videos do as much as damage to your reputation as anything Douglas Murray wrote. You lied, you faked evidence with your friends, you lost, and now you pay. Mohammed Hijab wanted lockout win in court. Instead, the judge just knocked him out cold. Mohammed Hijab is a liar, fraud, and worthless.